Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another special unboxing for you. This one is from Morphe. Today in the studio we actually have a special guest. He just turned 4 years old. It is my black cat, Ichabod Crane. Say hi, Icky. Ichabod. Oh, such a cuddler. Ichabod. Happy October 3rd, y'all. Oh, my Ichabod. Ichabod Crane, happy birthday, Icky. Oh no, you look so annoyed. Are you fed up with me? I love my kitty. My little drooly butt kitty. Mwah! So I placed another order with Morphe online. I did finally receive my shipment. I felt like this one took a lot longer to get to me than they normally do, so perhaps it was just a time they were really busy. I don't remember if I actually got these ones on sale per se, but I do want to go ahead and open her up. My shipping label is on the side of the box, and I did already crack open the tape because I was tired of fussing with it on camera. So let's pop it open. So opening it up, well, it's a little disappointing. Here's my order, my receipt. Opening it up, I'm a little disappointed. Morphe has always sent me either a white box or on the inside it was personalized with the Morphe logo and design, and this one is just a plain brown box. There's not even an indication of really where it came from, and in fact I didn't even know. The only way I knew was by the tracking number because I track everything on my phone. But it's a little lackluster, it's a little plain, it's boring, basic. I could have did this out of my garage kind of thing. I'm trying to put the packaging aside because at least they did bubble wrap the product, so I'm really excited for that. This new palette released, and I purchased it because it is starting to be the fall season, and I wanted palettes with more of the fall-esque colors, the pumpkins, the earth tones, stuff like that. Yes, me, I am going earth tones. Go figure, right? But then I realized, maybe some basic nudes weren't really my thing, and then this palette dropped and I just had to pick it up. This is of course the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. On the back it does have the little description, which I will read to you now. Hot to the touch. Just kidding. This scorching palette was born to dominate, just like me. Wild, sizzling reds and hypnotic flaming oranges create this fierce look that'll stop everyone in their tracks. So glow on and feel that creativity. Stun wild, Morphe babe. I absolutely love their product descriptions. I think whoever writes these just has a lot of fun. I think they're pretty trendy, and you know what? They really do get me excited about the product. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what she has to offer. So again, oh, cute. I love that the box matches the outside packaging with the colorful, I don't want to call them swooshes, but the colorful swipe, I guess. And of course it is bubble wrap and a nice little sleeve. And no mirror, per normal with Morphe. We do have, again, the protective cover. I am a little sad that the protective cover is what has the names on all of the colors this time around. So I better make sure that these two stay together in order to remember what is what. Watch it and see what this palette looks like. Row here with Trance, Consume, Frenzy, Power Play, Savage, the OG, and Disrupt. And that is the top row of colors from the Morphe palette. One here transferred over. Like, It's so perfectly blended, like it's right there, but you can barely see it. On the second row, we have Temptin', Flame Game, Ferocious, Come Alive. Ooh. We all know I'm a sucker for the green one. Then we have Major Hottie, Stun Wild, and Embers. So you're definitely getting more of the orange, yellow, browns. And of course we do have the pops of color with the green, which I'm very excited about. Blue Flame, Ball of Fire, Red Alert. Ooh, Red Alert. And Make Believe. Damn, look at Make Believe. Wow, it's really pretty. Unstoppable. Explode. And Hot Contents. Much like me and my coffee. This completes it for the third row of colors. You can see here the first two were definitely more of your blendable colors, your neutrals, other than the green, two green colors. But here we're starting to get into the extreme vibrant reds and oranges, which are just super fun to play with. We're gonna go ahead and start on the fourth row. Domination, Blast, Ignition, Mesmerize. We're getting into the stronger tone Inferno, In Command, and Hypnotic. And this wraps it up for the third and fourth rows of swatches. So we have 1 and 2. And 3 and 4. We are going to wrap it up with line 5, Stamina, Warning Label, Combust, and Out of Control. Ooh, that is out of control. Ooh, look at that. That is really pretty. And Smolder. Yeah, but Smolder. You broke my smolder. Jolt. Smoked Out. And that completes it for line 5. Ooh. You do get a wide range of colors in the reds and oranges family. Not so much pink. They may look like it on camera, but these are very clearly shades of red. Red, brown, a couple greens, and a couple neutrals, whether it's black or this more tan color, to really just blend it all out. If you're on a budget and looking for something, and looking for a palette for fall, this might actually be your new go-to. It's budget friendly, doesn't break the bank. I believe it was a 35 color palette. Let's see. It's a 35 color palette. 35. That's really good. You can create a lot of looks with this. Again, it looks like some of them are more buildable colors or more muted colors, whereas others are more vibrant, fun, playful, in your face. And then of course we have our darker and metallic shades here. That's not all I got. I'm not sure if this is exactly a new release of a product, but I actually didn't know it existed before, so I went ahead and picked it up from Morphe. It is one of their eyelid primers, but it's in the color black. Now, me personally, I either use an actual transparent concealer, something more, a few shades lighter than my skin tone, or a white concealer to really make the colors pop and be more vibrant. However, they were saying, according to online, that a black primer would do it as well. So I picked one up and I wanted to give it a go, especially with these gorgeous fall colors. And I figured if all else fails, well, at least I can use it for Halloween, right? So let's go ahead, open her up. Looks like the standard Morphe eye primer, except it actually says the color black on the label down here. Okay, on the back of the hand, Let's see. Just spread around a little bit. That's actually, wow. I feel like that's actually pretty opaque for this primer, so maybe if all else fails, I'll just use it as like a lip gloss or something. In honor of Halloween, not only do I want to do swatches, but let's do a special getting ready with me. So I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and prep and prime my face, and then let's get to it. Alright guys, I gotta be honest, I don't know how I feel about this black primer, but you know what? If all else fails, maybe I can just go as a KISS member for Halloween. First of all, I went ahead and used a brush to do this side in this color, so more of the muted pumpkin, because I wasn't sure how, oh, you can tell I got some of the primer underneath my eye. I wasn't sure how bright or vibrant it would make the colors like it's claiming, so I did that one this side. It is several layers, and in fact I ended up just using my finger because I got so annoyed with just packing it on. On this side, or after I applied this one, it wasn't as vibrant as I thought it would be. So I went ahead and I tried another color, which was this one here. This one. Again, after several layers and using my finger, finally it got to a decent vibrancy that I'm actually really happy with. I didn't want to make the eyes match just yet because I wanted to show you guys the difference. Let's continue. Step, I went ahead and used the black shadow and smoked it out a little bit. I feel like the black primer intensified the black of the eyeshadow. It just deepened it. I don't really think it's necessarily more vibrant at all. The lighter shades over the black primer, it looks like it just kind of made a mess on my eye. So it looks like I clearly have bags. I'm actually really afraid to apply it to my bottom under eye. I'm afraid it's just gonna give me like really dark bags under my eyes. On this side, I went ahead and used this color to sort of blend it, and then I reapplied the more vibrant orange, and it did create a pretty decent blend. I feel like it did cover the primer pretty well. Overall, for the primer so far, would I recommend it? Hard to tell. I feel like for me, on my skin tone, maybe it's my skin tone, I feel like the black primer deepens darker colors, but it does not work well with lighter shades. Certain areas where I want to shade, I would use the darker primer, and where I want to apply lighter colors, I would use my normal primer. Batman! And they shall call me Nightwing. Jiminy Jillikers, Batman! And keep on rolling. Yeah, look at that. That's the primer. Alright guys, in full disclosure, I'm giving up on this look. Normally, my mantra is trust the process, and generally it comes out fine. I gotta say no. You can see the primer is leaving dark marks on my skin, and it did indeed do what I was afraid of. Off camera, I continued to work the primer and add layers and try to blend it out and all that good stuff. It's not working for me. I am officially going to put my foot down and say no to the primer unless you're using it in certain spots. And as for the palette, I'm sure the palette is fine. I would say it's a standard Morphe palette, bang for the buck, but just this smoky orange look is not working with this primer, and unfortunately I'm just gonna stop it here and call it. So yay for a half completed look. So wash my face off. So yeah. So if you guys like this unboxing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and help a sister out, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Well, the nice thing is, at least in my cellular water, trying to pick up the black.